Welcome to this video on how to make healthy living as easy as possible with the DNA product range. So what we recommend is in the mornings when you wake up, the first thing to do is to make yourself a green juice filled with vitamins, minerals, using the DNA raw press juicer. We've got a nice full glass of green juice. Have a look at that pure color, full of those vitamins and minerals that I spoke about. So that's every morning, and if you can, for the first 1 or 2 weeks, the second time in the day, in the afternoon or in the evening, to really purify that system and clean out all the toxins. Doesn't get better than that. So with the raw press juicer, you get that full load of vitamins and minerals. Try and balance your juice in such a way that you're juicing predominantly vegetables and less fruit, because fruit has got the fruit sugar. Next, you obviously need those building blocks, the proteins, the carbohydrates, the healthy fats for your system to repair itself, to regenerate itself, and for that you use the DNA super blender. So let's add the ingredients. We have a mix of berries, strawberries and blueberries, loaded with antioxidants to fight up against those free radicals, which will help us avoid those cancers and those bad illnesses. We've got dates to sweeten up the smoothie in a healthy way. Add another 2. We've got the spinach loaded with chlorophyll. We have a banana to give the smoothie some fiber and some sustenance. We have ice. And finally, we are using almond milk, which is a dairy-free substitute for normal dairy milk. So all in all, a very healthy smoothie, and you'll be surprised how satisfied you'll feel after having the smoothie. So let's switch on the blender. We're choosing smoothie mode, and it's a 45-second process. And here we have the result of it. A full glass of smoothie full of the goodness that you need for those building blocks. Let's take a sip. Delicious. So once a day, we recommend enjoy a smoothie, a great tasting smoothie with natural ingredients. Then, no need to give up on those delicious fried food by using a DNA air fryer oven. All you do is eliminate the saturated fat, the sunflower oil, the butters, all those heavy fats that traditionally make your food taste good. But with the air fry oven, you get that same delicious tasting prepared meal in a faster time, so fast cooking, and there's obviously a massive variety of things you can do. The DNA air fryer oven offers you exactly that. So you can make a full beef roast, which we've dressed with a basting today, as well as raw vegetables, typically for a family size meal in the air fryer oven. Let's get started. Open the lid, add your vegetables, add your beef roast on the rotisserie, close the lid, turn on your air fryer. We're going to do on the chicken function, because we're going to do a full roast here, and we're going to add bottom heating, top heating, rotisseries on. Temperature, we're going to drop to 180 degrees for the first 45 minutes. So let's add another 15 minutes. And after that, we'll see how complete our beef roast is, and we can continue. We might have to take out the vegetables, they should be done, and let's see how that goes. So let's start. So 45 minutes have passed at 180 degrees. The vegetables are looking great. We've dressed them with a lot of olive oil to protect them. So we traditionally don't have to cook them for 45 minutes. I think 30 minutes should be sufficient. But in this case, you want them nice and soft. The roast is looking great. We're going to cut it open to see how far that roast is. It might be done. Let's have a look. Looking great. We're going to use this cage tongue to remove that roast. Cage tongue comes with the air fryer. And now look at those lovely vegetables. So everything looks good. Let's cut into this roast and see how far we are. Once it's cooled down, we'll obviously remove the rotisserie fork, but for now, looking good, looking good. So, roast looks good, vegetables look amazing, nice and soft, and we're obviously going to let the roast cool a little bit before we can remove the rotisserie fork, and then we'll slice it up nicely and ready to serve for the entire family. So the rotisserie fork is cooled, we're ready to slice up our beef roast, and have a look at that perfect, slightly, it's called medium. Medium to well done, so it depends on how you enjoy your beef roast. You can obviously leave it for less, but great result in the DNA air fryer oven. Lastly, always remember to remain and keep hydrated. So 3 liters of water a day in the DNA water purifier. The water purifier removes all the contaminants through 4 filtration stages, including reverse osmosis. So you're getting rid of all the chlorine that the government uses to clean water, heavy metals, bacteria, any pesticides. So all the bad stuff, including the rust and the sediment, gets removed, and what you're enjoying is that pure, hydrating water that your system needs to operate, to remain hydrated, and that's with the DNA water purifier. So all you're going to do here is you're going to select a temperature, which in this case is 25 degrees. You've got 5 settings. You're going to choose how much water you want to dispense. In our case, we're going to do 150 ml, and you're going to press the dispense button. So there's your purified water. Let's have a taste. Definitely tastes different to tap water. You can create purified water from the comfort of your home with a DNA water purifier. So to complete your healthy living in an efficient and in a fast way, the DNA product range allows you to achieve exactly that.